So like this. Like this.
The plate is done out!
Hey!
Nice.
I did.
Show me what you got. Let me see it.
I
Let me
did.
see it. Let me see it.
I dumped it out.
Good job.
You see, if you can,
Oh.
you
I thought you were taking a picture.
You can watch it closer.
Good ball. No, please don't put it back in there.
I'm just saying.
Oh, there's still more in there. Can you get it out? Here.
I have to dump it. No, I have to dump it.
Did you learn how that works? That's pretty good.
So should the mechanic truck take the waffle for a ride anymore?
Shake it. Shake it.
I think it's not coming out. I know why it's not coming out. I was shaking the wheel.
That's why it's not coming out? Could it be because you shoved it in there so hard? Here, let me see. Where's that waffle exactly?
In this hole right in the middle.
Are you poking it even further, showing me? Alright.
I guess we have to hide it.
PBJ and the VCR.
Can I have a PBJ? No. Why is it PBJ?
That's the class.
You are this mayonnaise.
Paper clip. Tweezers. How are you going to get that waffle out, Jackson? You're the mechanic. How do you fix it?
Maybe you can figure it out before I do.
And how was that fixing it?
Can you help me?
How do I get that out of there?
What you put you? He's got it! We're there.
That's all right. Good job, Dad.
I'll put it in
Oh, not in that hole, in the other hole?
Yeah. Not in these holes. Still, I can't down in these holes.
So which hole are you going to put it in? Oh, much better. Much better.
I'm gonna I don't see the other. We're gonna walk right into them.
Yeah, that would be easier. Okay. Alright.
Hey, that's my...
Breakfast stays on the breakfast table.